The call came in urgent. Mr. Orangutan was stuck. He needed someone to help him. He was stuck on a chair just above ground that had turned into lava. And his call came to none other than Trix, the best obstacle course runner on the planet. Which was good, because this was a hard course. It started right off with steps, going to a couch, lingering above lava. Then she has to make it over to the next couch, which was no ordinary couch. It moved back and forth randomly, making it hard to get to the next spot, where she would have to climb over rocks. Then there's the mystery box, which could help her with anything. No one knows until you open it what it does. Then, from here on this ledge, she somehow has to get here, and then get across the lava onto this pillow, and up here, and save Mr. Orangutan. Let's see if she can do it. She's prepared. 3, 2, 1, go! She had a fast start, but lays down as she realizes it's gonna be hard to get to the next couch. She's just about ready to make her move. And, oh! She landed in the lava. Gonna have to try again. Now she realizes she has to jump from one couch to the next, which is pretty risky. And there she does it! Let's replay that. Wow, amazing. But she still has a long way to go. Once she gets to Mr. Orangutan, she'll have to put him back to his home in the dog toy bin. She's ready to complete the next part of her challenge, somehow getting from the moving couch up onto the high ledge. Quickly, in between jostles, she finds a way and gets on just in time. Now, it's time for rock climbing. Here she goes, just rocks away from the mystery box. She climbs up. She's scared about the descent. Can she do it without falling off? She decides to go that way and she makes it. Now it's time to check out what's in the mystery box. And it's opened. What could it be? It's a pillow. Oh boy. She's pretty upset and disappointed. What will she do with the pillow? Well, she forgets it and decides to move on to the next challenge, somehow getting from the ledge to the bench. Oh, a wrong move. She'll have to try again. She thinks about it for a while. She realizes that pillow from the mystery box will come into use. So now she tries to push it off onto the bench. trying hard at it for a while. Can she do it? Oh, there it is! A perfect land! Way to go! Now that the bench is higher, she can get down easier. Here she comes, and the leap, and it's safe. Now she decides to move the pillow into the space in between the bench and the other pillow next to the chair. Now she has a free passage right to Mr. Orangutan. Successful leap without hitting the lava. Now, can she move Mr. Orangutan back to his home with the other dog toys? She looks pretty worried, not wanting to drop Mr. Orangutan into the lava. But she also wants to get him home fast. But then on the other hand, home safe. She thinks about it for a while. She's ready to push. Oh, it was so close! Poor Mr. Orangutan. She'll have to try again. Here she goes. Can she do it? Oh, and she lands Mr. Orangutan in home sweet home. Way to go, Trix.